In our last episode, we raced the clock and a bit of weather to make it to Huatulco to wait out a storm. This time around, we explore a bit of the area and find some creative ways to beat the heat.
Well, we're currently in southern Mexico in the Huatulco region, which is about 260 miles or so from the Guatemalan border. So we're almost at the end of Mexico, which is kind of a bummer. We like it here. We've been in Mexico for about 18 months, which you may think is a long time to spend in one country if we're traveling the world. But Mexico's awesome. And it's huge. For no other reason other than the size of the place. Mexico warrants a lot of time. It's just a huge country. There's a ton of stuff to see, and depending on which region you're in, it's totally different. So yeah, 18 months, it almost doesn't seem like we've spent enough time here, but there's still a lot of other stuff to see. So pretty soon we'll be out of here and off to other places. So where we are right now is right on the outskirts of what's called the Tehuantepec region. Right here is where a lot of hurricanes, tropical storms, gales, they form in this region, and they happen pretty regularly. So where we are here, we're kind of just waiting for a window to cross the Tehuantepec and hopefully not get caught in any pretty nasty weather. I guess we got here a couple of days ago, and right now out in the Tehuantepec there's a pretty big storm blowing up. It's winds in the 50 to 60 knot range, seas in the 20 foot plus range at 7 seconds, which is horrendous. Well, right here in Huatulco, it's perfect. We're getting a little surge coming in the marina from that storm out there, but basically you can't tell that anything's going on. We're in this little shaded pocket of great weather. Yeah, it's a good place to wait for the Tehuantepec to calm down and then cross. For us to cross from here to Chiapas, which is the next major port, and also where we're check out of Mexico, it's basically a 48-hour run. So we need 48 hours of clear weather, hopefully, to cross the Tehuantepec and get there safe and sound. Right now, we really don't have a window opening up for at least a week or so. There's some gales that pop up and then die out for a day and pop up again. So right now we're just going to be here waiting out weather. It's a nice place to be. There's a lot of stuff to see. So here we are, going to check this place out while we wait.
And the best way for us to explore the area, well, that's on our little folding bikes. And from the marina, it's a quick and easy 20-minute ride to the center of town.
This church here has got the largest painting of the Virgin of Guadalupe in all of Mexico. But the doors are awesome.
And this is it, the largest painting of the Virgin of Guadalupe in all of Mexico. Even though this place has tons of stuff to see in town, what it's really known for is its beaches. In Huatulco's jagged coastline, there's a series of 9 bays and 36 pristine white sandy beaches. And within those 9 bays and 36 beaches, you can find a little bit of everything. Crowds of tourists at the Palapa-lined beaches, or with the help of your very own boat, a little slice of paradise with no one around. But for us, those beaches were just a pretty great way to beat the heat. In the center of Huatulco is Santa Cruz, which holds the cruise ship terminal. And when this mighty ship is in town, the population of this little sleepy town triples. And just up from the cruise ship terminal is the main port, which is home to the local fishing fleet and hundreds of tour boats just waiting for your business.
Hi, Brenda.
It's really, really hot. And with all that heat, we put some miles on our little folding bikes, trying to find the best beach to beat the heat.
The mango tree, check it out. Look at those mangoes. Just hanging out on the side of the road. Well, that's exciting. Collecting mangoes. Delicious.
Good morning.
Good morning. Going for our canyon tour today. Pretty exciting.
I have to say, one of the best things about our cruising lifestyle is, in general, almost every morning, we just get up when we get up, go to bed when we're tired, and we just get up when we get up. But today, we set an alarm for like 7 o'clock. Because we're going on a big adventure. We've done our best to check out the beaches here, because that's really what people do here. But also in Huatulco, it's kind of known as the adventure capital of Mexico. So today we're going on an adventure, and hopefully we'll beat the heat. Should be pretty fun. Today we're going on a big adventure. We got Christian here.
Hello guys, how you doing? We're going to the Simatan River to do some canyoning.
It's gonna be great!
With Christian from Huatulco Expediciones, we were off into the hills for a little bit of fun. And after about a half-hour drive, we were at the Simatan River.
Water coming back.
We're pumped!
Even though the beaches of Huatulco are pretty incredible, we were looking for a different way to see the area and hopefully cool off.
Going in. No screwing around here. The water's actually pretty nice.
Very nice.
From where we parked the car, it's a pretty easy, roughly 45-minute hike up the Simatan River to where the real fun would begin.
Hello, welcome to my office.
I got distracted by a big butterfly.
And after that 45-minute stroll upstream, that's where the reward comes in.
Be careful with your sunglasses.
Cannonball!
5 or 6 per kilo.
Oh wow.
This is too small, but some people
Oh, yeah.
still fish it with this big. No? I mean, you kill it.
Hi.
I'm pushing you.
Hi, Brenda. How are you?
Good.
How's the river?
Fun. I crashed into a lot of rocks.
And to me.
Yep.
See ya.
See you later. No.
Okay. You have to make it to the left. That's good.
After a bit of floating downstream, we came to an impasse. And the easiest way around this set of rapids and waterfalls, well, it involves some ropes.
We don't talk about the ones that don't.
Oh no, the problem are the piranhas down there. But there are not many, just 2 or 3.
Piranhas! Okay, Brenda. Good luck. That's the end of Brenda. Pro status. All in all, a pretty fun day with some nice folks and some pretty great scenery. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. You
Nice
made
job.
it. You survived.
Well
that.
done.
Woo. Really survived that rappel. Really.
But you did it.
We did it. Celebrating.
Bottoms up. And that's about it for this episode. Join us next time as we grab our friends from SV Rosa and head up into the mountains for one of our favorite things on earth. Salute. Justine?
Stretto.
You like it? Ooh. Delicioso.